Hello. Hello, Nikhil.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Nikhil. Let's wait for 5 minutes, then we'll start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Nikhil. Have you both practiced yesterday?
Hi.
Hi, have you practiced, Shilpa?
मैं
Or else just go to the video,
मैं today.
will be better. You can recover. So I think no one will join. Let us start. Wait. So this one, let us start. Hello, hi, Sino. So
Yeah.
Nikhil, let us start. Okay. So our today's topic will be able to see my screen.
Not yet.
Mhm.
Not yet, Ashish.
Not yet. Okay, so now,
Yes, it's visible now.
okay. Which one you are able to see on my screen? You are able to see Sales Hub Dynamics 65 board.
Yes.
Okay then. So our today's topic will be we'll take up three topics today. Okay, first topic will be we'll create just a normal agent who will raise a support ticket. Means we will be not going to connect it to any external websites. Just we will be seeing a normal uh, agent how we will be creating it. So if you remember yesterday's class, it will be same similar how we will be going to create. This is the uh, um, and this is the home page of the Copilot, and I have logged into my environment. So here, if you can see, I have an agents. tab here. So in this, I have a button called new agents. So in the new agent, just here, this is the board where we described what kind of agent we need. But now I am not describing because it's just a normal agent. So whether it is a normal agent or whether it would be a agent that uh, that we need to create. But here you can describe the thing what is. Generally, this kind of things, the description will be given by our business only. So they will tell, I need this kind of Copilot who is ready to take an actions when the customer logged in and asked to book a tickets or search a restaurants or search some good places nearby my place like. So here you can enter the description. But for now, I'm just creating it because it also create me a blank agent. You can see now it will create a blank agent for me now. So it takes few seconds to create an agent. Once agent is created successfully, we will get an message here that the agent is created successfully. We can able to use it. So if you can see the board, the agent directly automatically created by Copilot, and also greetings also it has been mentioned here. This is the test board where we can test our agent, and this is the agent. Okay, now this is the agent. So here you see same thing. Yesterday we have discussed in the out of box overview knowledge tools agent. These are the tabs which are required for the agent. So if you we come in detail in the details tab, if you see we have an agent button here. So if I click on this agent button, I can edit the agent name. I can say this agent as a agent agent ticketer. I we can also click here and add an icon also for this agent. So if you can, so here one thing we need to notice that when you have given the name of this agent and you have added something here, so you should save it, or else if you not save anything, it will be not saved in further. So it's the first thing that we need to look at. We need to notice that. So then second one is orchestration. Okay, this is enabled, and this agent is using the model is GPT 4.0. By default, this is the model because this is a stable GPT version now, which the new agents are able to create on this one. Okay, so now, okay, we have missed this in the description. So in the description, what this description says is this description says about the agent. So what kind of agent it is. So what it does. So we can just add it like your IT agent. You will help people to raise support tickets. So, so if you see, I just described it that agent telling that you are the agent that will help the people to raise a support tickets. So I write it and save it. This is the name and description about orchestration and the model. So for present being, I am not giving any instructions to this. And the difference between the description and instructions is description is about the agent and instruction is about the agent what it need to be do. if you can see here, describe what you want this agent to do. So instructions we provide to this agent, that what it need to be do. And here in the description only it is telling that its tone and rules. We can describe the agent what work it should do, and in which manner it should do, in which tone he should reply, and what are the rules. We can also provide the rules. Rules is nothing but this directly we can inform, we can edit it and we can add it here. So for you should first greet the people, and again you should in an ending you should tell thank you to the people. Like, okay, generally I have created this this two. I have added this. Then again, next the main important topic is now the main important thing comes here is topic. If you see, yesterday we have discussed this topic. So yesterday I have told you that the topic means the topic is in the sense the initial greetings to the people when they come, and what they need to be done. There's an uh, initially, if you can see here, I am greeting this one, means this agent is greeting me with this one. If you can see here, greetings are there. So in greetings already it was predefined by telling that when a person come here and it hits hi, hello. See here, describe, this tool can handle the query if I say good morning, good afternoon, good morning, hey, hello. Next greeting, hello, how are you? It will come here. So if you see, I'll keep on hi here. So now see that he's been triggered. Okay, so this way we can interact with the user. So we want our own topic that need to be interact with the user. So we what we'll do is we'll gonna create our own topic now. So come to topics. It's a so generally what happens is in the real time examples, this topic, this agent description, instructions will be given by your business only. So they will describe you, they will give you each and everything. So what topics you need to add to your chatbot or a agent. So what should be the first question? What should be the second question? If I click on hi, this is my first question. Then again, if something is added, so what should be the my second question need to be? What is the third question? What should be answers for that question? So everything will be given by your business only when you are developing this Copilot. So there is nothing much, but as you go on creating a uh, huge Copilot, so the depth will be continuously increasing. So now if you see, I had a topic here. So when I click on this topic, you can see what it happened from blank, from describe a Copilot. So we are going to create from blank only here. So whatever topics we have, we will be creating, it will be added in the custom topics only. Oh, oh sorry, I missed it. Oh, topic. I will go with add for description because it is the main important thing. Okay. So if you can see, I have clicked on this add a topic. From add a topic, then I have got one pop-up. So and a pop-up name of the topic. If the name of the topic in the sense you are seeing this topic name, topic names like greetings, fallback, escalation. You can say topic. This is the goodbye. It's a topic. Greetings is a topic. So likewise, we can provide a topic name. So what is this of? This is of help support ticket. So here comes a main important thing. So here you can see the complete magic of this Copilot. What it does is, if you can see here below, uh, they have given this example here. If you can say read this example. So let someone order a pizza, choosing for a common pizza type and how many types of want how many they want to order. So if you can see, collect a user state and zip code. This are questions up to 5 times. So what this means is, so these are the type of topics, means you need to inform to your agent. So each topic has each response. So now for my topic, I have I have one predefined topic here. So I have this topics will be provided by your business when you and okay. So if you see, so see the topic here I am, means you can see whatever description you have provided in this creative topic. So the topic will automatically create the flow for you. You can see now when I hit on create the flow, how it will be created. So after creating the flow, you can also manipulate it. But now you can see here, I'm just telling this agent about this topic, that let user raise a support ticket, ask any problems related to hardware software license, ask user to enter an email address and priority of tickets as high, low and medium. This the priority of high, low and medium. Ask them the options ask them the options to choose preferred choose to the preferred contact method as email or phone. For a low priority does not require preferred contact. At the end, give the message saying that this ticket generally created, you will be updated in 4 to 6 business hours. So just I have inaugurated this one. So what this need to be do? So see, once I hit on create, what it will do? So what it will do is, it will create one type of flow for us. If you can see here, it created for me. So more we can describe here also. Means Copilot gives us ability to describe more here to enhance. So if you see here, the topic is created for me. The topic is created for me. So if you go, so see, this is the trigger. Means the trigger means I have hit it high. High is the trigger. So here trigger comes. This tool can handle a query like this. Help with support. If you can see, these are the phrases. This we call the phrases here. So these are the phrases. So if you can see here, help with the support ticket. So if I hit help with the support ticket here, I'll get this question. Please describe the issue related to. So open a support ticket, submit a help for a ticket. So we don't know what user will enter. So these are the phrases that we given. We can add n number of phrases. So if someone come and tell me that request a ticket. Okay. Okay. Request a ticket. He will come and ask me request a ticket. So I should understand that, okay, this guy is speaking about support ticket. So I need to understand that. So like this, we can add a phrases here. And I have the questions. See, these questions are directly given by the Copilot only with the help of the description what I provided to him in the topic. Please describe the issue. What are the facing your problems? So after this question, if anything I have asked him, next question will be coming here only. See, here it is telling what kind of problem. I have asked him, I have given the options of hardware, software, and licensing. So this three. So I can also add a new options here. So this question. So automatically what Copilot does is, it automatically creates one variable and provide it. So it is that much intelligent that it can also assume that okay, these are the choice field or multi-select field or a single line of field. So here it can select it and save it in here, save it in the variable here in the response variable. So they can then again see I have asked for an email ID. So here I asked for an email ID. It was automatically created and it was assigned to the variable as a string here. Then again the next question, priority of a ticket. So here, so if the priority of a high, low, high and medium. So in the description we have provided if it is a low, neglect it because no, low tickets are not much preferable in our case. So question here is what kind of contact email or phone here. Then again in the last we have asked it to create a this one what they say message. It is a response message that this ticket has been created successfully like filter. But here we can check the one thing, not only the things we can what we have added it into the description that will be created, but also we can add something and we can call a power automate from here also. If you can see this button add a node, in add a node you can send a message, ask a question. You can also ask a question here. We can ask a condition here, same like this here. Conditions are there. This is the condition. So we can add a conditions also, and we can manage this topic by when go up to here. It comes. It means it doesn't find any relevant response here, so it will go to another condition. So in the real time examples also, if you can see if you are chatting with any chatbot, if chatbot doesn't understand your query immediately, what it will do is it will then again start from starting. So we can in the topic management we can do that. So here I have tools. The tools, if you can see, these are the tools connector. Same we can call power automate also from here. From connectors we can also call power automate, or there are so many of tools which are supported by Copilot. So the tools also it is supported here in advance. If you can see authentication means what kind of authentication is it using Azure AD, or it is using the Google authentication, Facebook authentication. That all authentications we can add. So here external websites also we can add. So everything in the node we can do it. But this is a general and small very example here that we are going to check now. Once you have added, so if you observe that I have not added and created any notes or any questions, this Copilot only automatically created for me when I added when I added the topic requirement for the agent. So once I added this one, once you are done with your customizations here, you go and click on save. So once you go and click on save, this topic will be saved and this topic will be visible to you on your topics page. If I go back, and it will be in the ready state. If you can see here, help and support the topic, it is a topic trigger to this to the agent, and system admin I am the owner and it is enabled. So sometimes what happen, if you don't want this topic you can disable it also. If you click on this toggle button it will disable, and the same topic will also you can also see in the overview page also in the topic section. If you can see help a topic, so by here you can add a topic or delete a topic. If you click on this button, you can edit, delete or disable it. Okay, so once a topic is created, so let us test once. So once you saved it, you need to publish it. So once it is published, so you can, we can test it. So it's a small example. Okay. So if you can see, it is also giving you 829 published date and time. So the Copilot also remembers when it published and at what time, what date it published, and it will also save the things for when what you have done. In overview, you can see completely when you come below, it can show you. Isn't the topic. Okay, it should come here below, but it doesn't come. It appears on the above. So let us test this. So what I do is uh, right here ticket. So I give a comment like raise a ticket. So it's, you see what it is. First it is asked me. First it is entered into the greetings topic. So in the greetings topic, it doesn't find raise a topic. Good morning. Only these phrases are there. So second, what it does it went to a custom topic. Means a custom topic means what I have we have created this. So here in the custom topic, so I have requested raise a ticket. So it can recollect. Okay, so this is about a ticket that the customer is willing to raise. Okay, then again, immediately next question. So this is the question we have seen in the topic section. So we have not created this all. Everything is created by the Copilot only. If you can see, it also gives us this buttons also here, hardware, software. So we have only provided the wordings that I need a hardware, software, and licenses if the customer is facing issue. So if I select a hardware, so if you select an hardware, then again next question will come. Please enter the email. So if we enter any email here, so if you see, I entered an email address here. So So if you see what is a priority, so this also, whatever you are seeing, this everything, we have added this in the topics in the form of wordings. So everything what we have added in the form of wordings, it is giving us in the form of the Copilot chatbot. So you can see we have not used any coding here. So without every coding, just here one thing we need to remember when do we create this Copilot, it uses a natural language. Means it understand a natural language. What we have generally what we make a conversation like natural language policy to use. So we need to describe in such a way that it can understand easily Copilot. So we should not use any hard words when we describing each and everything in depth. If we how much in depthly we provide to our Copilot, in that much response it will be giving. Means that much the agent will be that much enlarged to ask a questions to the users. So it feels like easy when any user has been inputted anything. So it can easily recollect and easily have a conversation. So only the thing the agent should look like a invisible human who is talking to a user as a real human. So the user should feel like it is not an agent, it's a human. So in that way, we should add our phrases, we should add our topics, everything like how we talk generally. So that with that means we can make a, one-on-one relationship with the user with this topic. So if you see here next, we have these three. So I'll click on hi. Everything it is coming by the topic only here. Which topic is running here? We can see. So what contact preferred, I prefer phone number. I have preferred phone number. Okay, so see here, this is the last thing we have given, and you can see it is giving me this message by telling that okay, it is created and the agent will be contacted you. But it is created, it is telling, but generally we have just seen in this example, normal example, it is not created anywhere. It is also not connected to anything. But uh, there are some sites or some tools with we can create it. Means we will interact with this one and we can create it. But so we don't have that interaction now. So that's the reason for that normal thing. It is showing you here. But in the real time, what happens is um, uh, generally when you create, if in your real time life, so you can come across that you will be creating the tickets or you will be creating anything. In suppose in Zomato or Swiggy, you order, you doesn't get a food very nice. You will create a ticket. So it will tell you your ticket is successfully created. So that means a chatbot has some external interaction. That external interaction will create ticket somewhere else. Means somewhere else in the sense in the customer support desktop, and it will provide you the ticket number. So here we don't have any external site to be created. So that a general example for that we have used this one. So if you see, this is the end of the conversation. Once the conversation is ended, it is marked as completed. So if the conversation is generally in real time examples, what happens is when you create a ticket, it will not completed. It will be in waiting state, waiting for a user. So waiting for a user in the sense when it is created at the both ends, is in the user end as well as in the support ticket guy's desktop. So when the support ticket guy comes and checks his desktop, he will be seeing okay, these many tickets is created yesterday night or today morning, and this is assigned to his name. So there is something more in between happens before you comes from the before you comes to this topic. In between there is something more will be happening. So what is that more means? It checks the authentication, Azure authentication, to which website it is connected, whether it is connected to Zomato, Swiggy's support ticket, or any waterboard support ticket, or anything. So when coming between here to here, it goes in between so many things and comes here. So we have directly came here because we are not connected to any external sites here. So if you can see, it has given 4 to 6 hours. So in 4 to 6 hours it will be response. So it here it will be coming waiting for a user in the real time. But as we are in the demo now, it is shows as completed because we have ended our communication to the chatbot with this message only. So here topic is completed. So if you can see in the activities also, uh, in the activities also, it shows you whether it is completed or waiting. It is completed in the 2 steps only. If it is not completed, it will be in the waiting state or waiting for a user to handle it. So it will tell us in that way. So this is a general small example what we have seen. Any doubts in this topic, or we can go for another one? Okay, everything is okay. So I am going for another one. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, fine for Ashish. Please proceed.
Okay. So we will go for an other topic. Okay. See, these are the agents. If you can see the agents, whatever we have created, it will be displayed here to us. So now what I'm trying to create is, if you see here, this is my sales hub application. Okay. In the sales hub application, I have an account. Account is my out of box entity. Okay, so in the out of box entity, I want to uh, create a record here. I want to create one record the with the help of chartboard. I don't want to come here. So this example will applies here also, but not completely. In the agent ticketing, what we have done, we have just raised created a Copilot that raise a ticket, but nowhere it has been created. But we the same thing we will be going to do with our account with the help of the Copilot. So I'll show you how we are going to do that. So I will create on my own. So give some time here. It will create an agent. Okay, the agent is created. So I'll give the name as record creator agent. It's a record creator agent. So here what I'll do is I'll create means this what this agent will do is this agent will create a record uh, in Dynamics 365 without any interaction to without any user interaction in Dynamics 365. So we can describe this one. So this description is optional. We can also what I say, we can also neglect this one sometimes, but sometimes it is very important to you. But as my perspective, you should provide a description for each and every agent what you have written, so that if any other person is working on your agent, he can easily identify that what kind of agent this is and uh, what is the initial purpose of this agent. So I'll tell this agent will create a records in ICR and count table. So this will create a record in the account tables there. So instruction for okay, I am changing this. So here instructions. Now instructions here. I am not gonna provide the instructions here because I don't want this Copilot to go follow my instructions directly. I want to create here. Uh, I want to give some details here. Like if you can see account name, phone number, city, number of employees, primary contact here. These are the fields. So I want to give this one give these details to that agent, so it will be creating some records for me. So coming to if here also, if you can see this Copilot automatically assumes that what you are going to create, what is the scenario means a user as me. Uh, when I am typing, when I am creating an agent in background, this orchestration will assume that okay, this is the agent is for creating a new records, or this is the agent will delete and records from an agent based on the user input. So it is much more intelligent by much more intelligent comparatively to our what is virtual agents. Virtual agents means the virtual agent is a previous is an older name of this Copilot agent. the new name is Copilot. So when this artificial intelligence is added to this one, so it is become much more powerful that when you are typing, as it itself assume that what you are going to create in the Copilot. So see here, I have added nothing. Only the thing is, what we need to add is we need to in the knowledge source we need to tell that okay, in this record, in account record, you need to add this. So we should tell him, see here, we can add files, data, and other resources informing to improve AI generative response. So in the knowledge, we should inform that Copilot. So whatever the things is being asked to you to create, that should be created in the dataverse in the table. So we will describe that in which table it should be done. So here, if you see, here it is giving this the list of the tables in the dataverse. So we are now going to use this one account, which is out of box. So not only out of box, you can also create any custom fields depends on your requirement when you are going to create a Copilot. So now I am selecting this account. So and when I click on add to agent here, this I'm sorry, I was talking on mute. So if you can see here, now, hello, am I audible?
Oh,
Yeah, if account now account is added, now it is in the ready state. In the ready state, we can edit, delete, and there's another option called official source. This official source is nothing but sometimes what we have is we have a confidential entities means only for internal purpose, but we should not display it to the external users. So sometimes what happens is the external users also need that kind of data, means not completely data to interaction so at that time, this official source comes into the picture. So once we have created this, so this will have some other confidential data privacies, uh, uh, some privacies to be added here. So now I have added this account. So if you can see, I have clicked this account. I have opened this account. So if you see here, there is a tabs account preview synonyms and glossary. So here details means what kind of what is the name of this. So description it is automatically created. This is a knowledge. Answer the question. This is created by Copilot only. And if you can see here, I have a preview. Preview means if you see here, this is the a view of the view which Copilot is created for itself to understand. And now synonyms and glossary. So these two things are very important here. So I'll tell you that what is synonyms. Synonyms means if you suppose account is there. Now this account is there. So some people will refer this account with the name organization also. Uh, the, how example means we now suppose for example there is a bike. For bike we can also call two wheeler. So some people will refer with the two wheeler, some people will refer with bike. So that becomes synonym. Synonym means the synonym of bike is two wheeler. So that synonym we need to inform here. So if you see here, account name is there. Account name is also called as organization. So now account is there. So I'll search an account name and I'll add a account name or anything. Phone. We can add anything. Okay. Post office. Okay. Now post office box is there. So the post office box is also referred as speed post. Speed post. So this is a synonym speed post. We can also tell it as telegram. So anyone if create if they calls this telegram or speed post, so Copilot will understand that okay means they are referring to the speed post, the post office box. So sometimes what happens is in the organization, if you have this kind of account name is there. So so everyone will not remember the field name as account name. Someone will remember as account, someone will remember as name. So anything they can type in the chatbot by telling that I create a name, create a account like that. So we there is an the office. Okay, so that is called synonym. When we create a synonym, we need to add the description to the synonym. Synonym is not saved. No? Telegram, is not saved. Okay. So once you provide a Telegram, you should provide a description saying that Telegram or feed post. If user uses these words, understand that he is referring to post this box. So whenever a user will use this kind of words, means Telegram or people, so it internationally understand that okay, he was trying to tell the word of post office. So that is synonym. So and glossary. Glossary is in the sense account name. Some people they don't remember like account. Some people called accounts as organization. Some people called accounts as company. Some people calls account as entity. So anything they can call. So we can define here. So account organization here. So if someone call organization, that means it is account. So like organization, you can add companies and everything here. So synonyms and glossary. Only the thing is when you want to add a second name of any field or anything, you should be added here in this one. So once you added and save this one, then the second thing what we need to do is mm, then we need to add one connector between this your Copilot and okay. So knowledge is now added and it's ready. So you have added here. So the main topic comes here is tools. So if you can see here, our main task is that we want to create a new record with the help of chatbot. So when I create a Microsoft Database connector, I'm using this connector. So you can use anything, any other connectors depends on the your requirement to which you are trying to connect. So I have clicked on this connector. So here I am able to choose. So what I need to do, I want to add it or I want to list off all the selected and list rows for from the environments. So update a row, anything. Anything, it depends on our requirement. So my present requirement is add a new row to the selected environment. Okay. Mm, once I create select this one, so it will ask me what rows you want to so what are the rows fields you want to add it. So see here, it is asking me and it is telling me connection. This is my connection. So if you doesn't see your connection, you can also modify your connection. It comes in below. As we have only one connection here, it is showing me only the one connection. So now this is the connection, and now I'm telling this agent to add and configure. So once it add and configure it, it will ask me what is the inputs you are going to ask when the user is interaction with the agent, and what the output that he need to provide. So it opens. Okay, see now this one add a new row. It is now we have selected this connector. So I can also change this name. I'll give this name as add a new account to CRM. So this is the description automatically came. You can see the tool. This is a Microsoft Dataverse tool. Add a new record. This is our connection reference. So this is the connection available to record creator agent. That means for this record, the name record creator agent, it is available for only to this one. And you can see this is the details. Now coming to the inputs here. In inputs, you can see environment table name. So we need to select what is the environment that we are using. So we are not going to use a dynamically environment because our environment is customized environment. So once you use the custom value in the drop down, okay, in the drop down, see here, you got an environment. This is a current, this is a counter show, and this is my environment, which I am currently 916805. So I have selected this one. So now I have selected the environment. So for the table name, my table name is also, I'll provide it as a custom value, my table name. So what is the table that I am using here? I am using the account table. So once I click on this, you can see here accounts came. I am selecting this accounts. Okay, I have selected this account. Okay, then account. Then you see here it is filled. Then again, second thing, account name. Account name it's come. It has been come. So my requirement is account name is there here. I need to add a phone number and a city. So once I come here, so you can see add an input. So once I click on this button, so the all fields it will show here. How many fields are there here? It will show not only these fields from your backend, how many columns are completely there. That all fields it will be create. It will be shown here to select you. So my present requirement is main phone. Main phone is there here. So I'll select main phone. See here, main phone is there. This is the main phone field. You are able to follow now what I'm able to try to say you.
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh. Okay, so main phone we have added here. Okay, so this is a phone number. So I'm telling this one main phone to the agent to input it from automatically, means dynamically filled by AI. So whoever inputs here the phone number, it will dynamically inputs here. So if sometimes if you want to customize this one, you can also customize this one. Like you can change this display name, you can add some description, you can add some advanced option like customize the prompt. Or customize the means a retry prompt. If user not providing the phone number continuously, it will repeat up to how many times to ask the customer. Like this is some advanced level Copilot features that we can customize. Okay, so here I have added the phone number. Then again, next, what is on my form? Number of employees are there. So I'll click on this input. I'll number 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 of employees. You can see number of employees I have added here. So I'll leave it as a uh, dynamically filling. So and the next next thing what is there? Address one city is there. Address one city. Address one city is address one city. Address one city is there. I have added address one city also. Okay, so like this, whatever we need to create a record, we will tell our agent. So similarly, in the first example, we have just created a ticket with only some dummy data. Here, we are creating a record with the help of the real inputs from the user. So these inputs I have provided here. So now, whatever inputs you means your business is required, so you can provide here completely. There is a no limitations to the inputs asked, so you can go on increasing by adding the inputs here. So here completion is there, right? Write a response with generative AI is send a specific response. So what is this means? Completion means when your conversation is completed, your agent will respond. Okay, thank you for inputting this kind of details. So this can also be customized with these options also. So presently we are leaving this directly. We don't need any response. Uh, so I'm saving this one. If you remember now, I have not created any topic here, but you see how this agent understand that for what thing we have created this agent, and how it is responding. If you see, yeah, I will say hi. So how can I help you? So we have added account here. We have added account now. So how many records are there in account table? So it should tell me how many records are there. There are 23 records here. There are 23 records. So it should inform me there are 23 records in the account table. See, something more it is typing. So this is everything is generative AI intelligence. So if it's telling, if you need more details or you want a specific record, please let me know. It will be also telling me like this for a specific record. Let us ask him the specific record details. Phone, out, record, record, give that some phone. It is phone here. This phone and email address. Email address is there. Website is there. Email and so the input what we have inputted here, it is giving me. Okay, so we can understand. Okay, that means our account is connected to our agent. So now we need to add a record from here. So if you can see here, we have 23 records. So we will be going to create one record from here, which will also create a record in your CRM. So I want to create a account. Now, this question, we didn't added anything. We didn't add any topic here. Account or company name you would like to. So directly Copilot understood that okay, this user is asking to create me account. The reason behind is we have given this description as a new agent, and it will be creating a new records, a new accounts into the CRM. So we have not added any topics, but still it understands. So I can tell you like what is the account name? I can say account name is we see here any Microsoft is not there. We don't have Microsoft here. So Microsoft. Still it is running. It was waiting for the user inputs. What is the primary address of the account? See here, still it is waiting because it is not completed. Address of the I'm giving primary address as America. Here it is capturing everything. If whatever you are entering here, it is capturing here. Account name, it is captured. A camera, I have given the city, it is captured. What is the main phone number? I'm giving some dummy phone number. So how many employees are working in the account? I'm giving 34. So this all questions is generated by uh, Copilot only, and it is asking. We are not created anything. So now we see. Now it is 23. Now we need to create, see if the row count is increased to 24 and Microsoft. If you can see here, Microsoft came. We have added this phone number, America, the city, and the number of employees we have added here. So with the help of the chatbot, we have not came here, we have not clicked on this new account, we have not inputted anything here. We can uh, we directly use this agent that connects to our to CRM and able to create a new records. And once it is completed, it shows us the completed message. So likewise, you can add n number of information from the chatbot, because this chatbot will be external facing. Like yesterday, we I told you that it will be in the external facing websites, like a Teams or SharePoint, like Facebook. In Facebook also, you have some chatbots, WhatsApp, anything in anywhere in external sites. So in external sites, whatever questions you required, you will tell your agent these are the questions, responses required to the user. Take this and create a record. See, the same example comes under the help desk tickets. So what the help desk tickets we need? What is the issue? Hardware issue or software issue, or license issue? High priority or low priority? So it will take all the thing and it will create a record here. So in real time, what happens is only will not restrict up to here. It will go beyond. Once the record is created, then we will need to trigger an emails. The email need to be sent to an user. Okay, hello, hi, system administrator. This is the ticket number. It is created, and these are the details of your ticket. And this is the person, XYZ is assigned to your ticket. He is working on this ticket. He will be getting. So this everything template will be created again for the no, for the next step that requires an external facing sites that if present for our trial versions, it doesn't support. So we can conclude this one till here only. So any doubts you have up to here? Anything? Anyone? Any doubt? Hello, senior, this one, anything? Okay.
No, no doubt.
No. Okay, so we will going to our next example, the last one, which will be connecting to an external sites. We will be creating one movie agent with, okay. So here, this what this agent does is, this is a kind of agent that will interact with an external agents. Like we have external facing IMDb, so it's a free website, so we can use that. If you So this is IMDb, the website. We will be getting the data. This is the free website that provides us the data about the movies. So we will be going to use this one here. So like I came here, I created. Okay. Wait till it created. Okay, let's edit this one. Then I'm describing the agent. Okay, so I'm telling that agent that uh, you, you are a agent who is expert in movies, and if people ask you questions regarding movie, please reply them using knowledge base. So I'll provide some knowledge to the agent. Based on that knowledge, it will respond to the agent, sorry, user. So I have provided the descriptions, I have saved it. Then again, next, I'll provide instructions uh, to the agent. So I'll not give much instructions to the agent because we are using external website. I'll give general extensions like act as an expert, or okay, I'll tell that act as you have watched a movie and cinema expert. You need to answer the user simplified manner. Okay, this is the instructions I have provided. So uh, our main thing comes in the knowledge. So we need to add a external source of knowledge. So here external source of knowledge is our IMDb's website is there. So I copied this URL from here. I copied this URL from here. I came here, and if you can see here, you have suggestions. What kind of previously we have used the Dataverse. Now we are using public website. When I click on public, it asks me the website link here. So I have provided the website link here. Like it is IMDb. I have clicked on add. Directly see the description also came directly. So I'm adding this to the agent. Once it is added to the agent, so the agent has an ability to go to the IMDb website and bring all the required knowledge. But before that, there are some more changes also we have to do. Is added now. Uh, so there is one more small thing that we need to do while we adding an external website. So in activities, sorry, in topics, we have one system topic called conversational booster. So conversational booster is the thing that is responsible to interact with the external websites. That is the main thing it will interact. So here, if you can see here, data source is there. In the data source, we should by defaultly for every uh, by default for every agent what we have created, it will be the classic data. Classic data in the sense it will get the data from the Bing or from the website. But we don't want this one. We don't want this one to bring the data from external sources. What we have added the source, IMDb source, then the knowledge source, we are asking this agent to use that only. So I am going to turn it on. So when I turn it on, you can see here IMDb site came automatically. I have selected and I have saved it. Okay. Now, okay, this is done. So this is a small change that we need to do here. Now we comes to the topic again. So now we need to create a topic by telling that, okay, if someone asks you to create a ticket, so how you will fetch the things from the website, and how you will be going to the website, that we need to uh, now inform to this agent. So I'm telling this agent name as uh, get info about movies. So here, then again comes topic. So here we need to describe the topic, that what kind of topic we are going to tell to our user, that what this need to be done. So generally, when we book a ticket, or uh, when we want to see some any movie, we will review the movie. We will ask Google, so what movie, so what is the cast of that movie, who is the director, who is the producer, who is the music director, how much rating is there for that movie. So that this kind of stuff we will be asking to the user, sorry, to the chatbot. Generally it comes when you create a uh, in Book My Show, when you book a ticket, before that you will be seeing that who is the details of the cast, crew, everything. So here also the same thing we need to provide uh, provide to the agent. So I have some topic here created. So wait a minute. So if you see here, I have given something like, let user book a ticket. Let's choose some different movies like Pushpa 2, John, Sabarmati. After they ask them to enter their email address, phone number. After they need to select the language of all the movies. Has also been default option as Hindi. Only Pushpa 2 has additional language optional like Telugu, English. Once they select the language, ask them the range of tickets 150, 200, 300. Once they select, so the timings of 9 to 12, 12 to 3, ask them booking confirmation and the ticket. So now just I have created the topic. Now what I do is, once I provided the topic, if you remember in the first example, just we added the topic. Once we added the topic, so it is directly everything it is created for us by Copilot only. So now what I do is, I'll just go and hit on create. So the topic what I have given, it will be created here. Uh, the conditions will be created for the topic. I will wait for some time. It will create here. Okay. You can see if a user comes, this tool can handle a query like this. If user comes and asks book movie ticket, find movie show time, get information about the movies, what movies are playing, reserve a seat for a film. If any thing from this phrases user enters, so this agent knows, okay, this user is want to book a ticket, so this agent will trigger, and this agent will participate. Now, next question immediately it will ask which movie you would like to. So we have added three, but we can add multiple movies here. Like n number of movies also we can add. No limitation of that movies is are there for us to restrict here, because not only movies, anything we can add it here based on our requirement. So next thing, email address. We have asked the email address. Whenever you book a ticket, the ticket will go to your email address. So we have added this. So automatically it created a variable here. which it shows there. Then again phone number. Once phone number is added, so if you can see here, condition we have, they have added Copilot added the condition of movies, like it's equal to Pushpa 2, it comes here. If selected language of movies, which language you would like to prefer? If we preferred Hindi, the variable it will comes here. But we think we don't need this one for now. We are good with this example. I will tell you. We are not going into the this condition. We are only checking with this condition. The movie is Pushpa 2. Select the language of from Pushpa 2. So which language do you select? Hindi, Telugu. So once I select that language, so it will ask me the rates of the ticket which I'm trying to book, and then again timings of my show. Once it everything what we have added in the paragraphs, everything you can see here. So booking confirmation, this movie, email, talk, phone, language, range of ticket, show timings. This is the response that you will get here. So once I click it here and once I save it, once I save it, you can see, okay, it is saved. Now let us test this one. What is the test? Oh, it is going to here. You see, it is going to here. I will tell movie. Start then. Okay, it should give me any movie will pick up. Mm, mm, who is of or it is not giving the responsibility. This again.
Hello, bro. Ashish,
Hello. Yes.
in the knowledge, knowledge it was a disabled
Knowledge.
at the what this
No, generally it should work because we have directly given here. No? It should work here, but it is working for the booking tickets. I need to get information from this external source.
okay.
For booking, generally it is working. I will do this. Enter the phone number. So this is set the language. I select the language below. Price range 200 to 50. 2 times 2 to 3. See like this. The ending conversation is this. And the last in the topic what we have added, it will come here directly. So it's the same thing will happen in our real world with the ticket booking site book my show. So there the email box is enabled there, but here as we are using that trial version, so email is not enabled there. So between this and this one, same like IT support ticket, there is some email like email boxes exchanges here. The same thing happens here. So this is also the same example, but we have added that here an external source, but this external source is does not responding. The reason was able to check by filter add this one. Generally, this is the usage that we use with the free websites. So till now, you understood now what Copilot can do, what is the capabilities of Copilot.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So in the real world, this is the main scenarios that you will come across. So apart from that, there is not much more things that you will be come across. But if you come across, you will be go in depth only because there may be some conditions to be added. So this uh, yes, okay, it is not going. I can show why it is not going. I don't know. So I can show you. I have one more same like this one. I'll show you in that. So till now here you are good, right? No, no doubts, nothing. If any doubts are there, if anything there, you can ask me.
Fine with that, Ashish.
Fine. Okay. So here, now why it is not responding? I'll show you. I have one more agent called movie I have created for this demo only. I'll show you and close that. Then, so this is the same agent what we have just demoed now. So the same agent I have added IMDb site here and the same topic. the same topics what we have created. You can see that the same description I have also added here. I've added this IMDb site here to this one, and the same topic also is there. What we have created, book a movie ticket topic. So this is the same topic. So now if you see, if in this one anything in if for any movie we can ask. Okay. Yeah. So it needs to be go to the external website and come back to us. So here, if you see, it went to an IMDb site. It went to the IMDb site and it bring me a response here. A response of the cast of the Pushpa 2 is Allu Arjun, Ashmika, Fahad. So like this, it works. So so we tried with external, we tried with internal. The two examples we have checked. If you have any doubts or anything, you can ping me and you can ask me. So this is so now it understand, it fetch the data from the IMDb site, and if I want to book the ticket, so I can also book the ticket now. Means we have checked the both things without any external email configurations. Here we can do the same thing. Okay, then all good. Any doubts till now? Can I stop now?
No, no, Ashish.
Okay, so if anything is there, you can ping us. Okay, so I'm stopping it today, and this is was the last of the Copilot. Anything is there, you can ping us. You can for any queries or doubts. So go through this three demos. You can feel very easy the how Copilot is created. Once you learn this one, it will be very easy to uh, create any Copilot agents.
Yeah, Ashish, I have small query. What are the topics we need to add the CV in the Copilot? If you provide, that could be a good.
Okay, so means in your resume, if you can add this one, so you can add this like you have built a Copilot. Now, out of box Copilot yesterday, what we have added, na? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, mainly, see, in any interview, they will ask you this one only, the Copilot, preferable, out of box Copilot. So what you have done for the out of box Copilot? What are the customizations you have done? So you can tell for the out of box Copilot, you have added the external uh, custom entities. You customize that entities with the out of box Copilot, and you have added. You can create a new agents like a movie agent or anything, any example agent you can, and you can add enhance the future of that, so that you can tell. But I'll provide you the details, means what you can add it in your CV. It will be helpful. I will share with you. I'll share this details about the Copilot. Is it fine? Uh,
Yeah,
Sunny?
got it. Ashish.
Yes, I'll share you. After this call, I'll share you within half an hour or 40 minutes.
Sure, sure. Just want to know the in the project, what are the topics we have added? Only 4, 5 lines. That's it.
Okay, okay. I'll share you. I'll share you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sina.
Thank you, Ashish.
Thank